All right, guys. So today, well, actually, a little while ago, we tried to convert a couple of two-wheel drive slashes and a Bandit into a snow machine. Now, unfortunately, we got this one with the tires on it, everything all set up, only to realize we had an issue with the front, with the steering. So today, we're gonna have a look at that, get into that, fix that up, hopefully get this thing back out in the snow and having some fun. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, so we got the bottom piece off here. Not really seeing exactly what's wrong, if anything. This short throw servo arm might be half the issue when you look at the difference on the arm on that. So that's going to get swapped out because everything else seems to be freely moving. We're going to dislodge this and we'll see what it does. All right, there she be, all done. Paddles on, skis on, let's take her outside. All right guys, so we've got 3S power, paddle tires, and skis. Now unfortunately the skis aren't hooking up very well because there's not much snow, but let's give her a shot.